Imagine a submarine silently cruising beneath the ocean launching not torpedoes, but underwater drones through its torpedo tubes. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi thriller, right? But this is exactly what the U.S. Navy has just achieved with its Virginia-class submarine. This marks a historic milestone. For the first time ever, an unmanned underwater vehicle, UUV, was deployed forward from a submarine while on a mission. A technological leap that could change underwater warfare forever. So how big is this breakthrough really? And why does it matter? Let's find out. On a recent mission, a Virginia-class submarine deployed a UUV from its torpedo tube, without surfacing, without exposing itself, and most importantly, while forward deployed, meaning it was operating near potential conflict zones. The Navy confirmed this as the first time a submarine executed such a mission using the Submarine-launched Unmanned Undersea Vehicle (UUV) platform. This essentially allows submarines to carry and operate underwater drones stealthily, extending their surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike capabilities, all while staying deep under the sea. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are these UUVs? Simply put, unmanned underwater vehicles are the naval equivalent of drones. They're small, unmanned submersibles equipped with cameras, sensors, sonar, and sometimes even weapons. These can be used for surveillance missions, mapping ocean floors, tracking enemy submarines, and even neutralizing underwater mines. And here's the game changer. They can be sent into dangerous or highly monitored waters without risking human lives. Think of them as underwater spies, silent, smart, and hard to detect. The Virginia-class submarines are among the most advanced attack submarines in the world. Built by General Dynamics Electric Boat, these nuclear-powered subs are already loaded with cutting-edge tech, like vertical launch systems, sonar arrays, and special mission compartments. Now, with the addition of cell-of capabilities, they're basically becoming underwater aircraft carriers for drones. The UUV is launched through a standard torpedo tube, using existing submarine architecture, meaning no need for special launchers or big modifications. It's efficient, cost-effective, and tactically brilliant. Why does this matter in terms of global strategy? Firstly, it expands U.S. surveillance reach underwater without exposing submarines. In a time when undersea warfare is becoming more important due to territorial disputes, especially in the South China Sea or around Taiwan, this gives the U.S. a serious edge. Secondly, it gives commanders more options. For example, if a mission is too risky for a manned sub, a drone can go instead. If you need to map hostile territory or scout for mines before an amphibious landing, again, UUVs can do that. And let's not forget, it's not just about surveillance. Future versions could carry payloads like sonar jammers or even small explosives, turning them into offensive tools as well. Of course, this isn't without challenges. The Navy still has to solve key issues, ensuring secure communication between the sub and the UUV, enhancing AI navigation systems for UUVs to operate autonomously in unknown terrains, and making sure enemy forces can't detect or hack these underwater drones. That's why the U.S. Navy is investing heavily in R&D, not just for UUVs but also for better submarine integration, energy systems, and longer endurance drones. Future Virginia-class submarines and their successors will likely have even more advanced UUV bays, custom designed, unlike the current workaround using torpedo tubes. In conclusion, this successful UUV deployment is more than a headline. It's a technological leap in undersea warfare. By turning submarines into stealthy drone motherships, the U.S. Navy is rewriting the rules of engagement under the ocean. And as tensions rise globally, innovations like these will likely define the next generation of naval power.